Hello and welcome to my Info Tech Clinic. Today we are going to be looking at how to use the school-based assessment software for primary schools. So I'll just open the file and then let's get started. Alright, so once the file is opened, we are going to log in and then get started. Right, so once it is done, we just log in from here and then enter our password. First sheet, the first button. I will just register. Over here, you come to the class teacher, you just write the class teacher's name. You write the class teacher's name and fill in the rest of this. That's the subject teacher's name. So you write all this. And when you come here, you are going to select the number of subjects you are doing. So if it is 8, you select 8, 7, select 7. If it is 10, select 10. It's actually here. Then when you scroll down, you have the instructions to the system. So this instruction will guide you as to what to do. So these two buttons here, if you actually want to clear the scores that you have entered in the system, this is where you click for them to go. So the class scores and then the exam scores, this is where you click for them to go. So when you click on it, it will ask you if you are sure. If you say yes, then to clear this one to as well. For now, there are no class scores and exam scores in the system. So let's go back to the top and let's come here. Alright, so we are going back to the menu and you go to the subject sheet. So you have English, Math, Science, World and People, History, Computing, Creative Arts, to French. So 10 subjects. So the sheet, you just enter the scores. Then the system will do its work for you. Just enter the scores and exam score. So you cannot do anything about this. The total class score and total score, you cannot do anything about this. By exam score, you can enter the exam score. So let's do that. So if you have, let's say 12, so if you hit the tab, you move to the next one. The tab, you move to the next one. The tab, to the next one. But when you hit here, it goes to the exam scores. That is that. So you see position is also coming. But everything over here, they are linked to other sheets, the SBA forms. So you go to the menu and you go to SBA forms. You can print it or export it as PDF. It will do that for you quickly. Then you have it on the desktop. It will be on the desktop for you. So okay, so it's in the SBA folder on the desktop. So once you click OK, then you go to the SBA folder. So this is the SBA folder. So you see that the one I just export will be to this date. You can see where is it? SBA forms. This one, no, it's not this one. Where are you? It should be somewhere here. SBA form. So it will appear here for you. Just appear here. Sorry, this is it. It will come with the name, the term, the academic year, the term, and then the name of the class. So you can see the name of the class will be attached to it. So whilst I was testing it, I was having a lot of them. So if I should delete all this and go back to execute that, let me go back to execute that same command again. So you need to have a message box to come. And everything is successful. Without the message box, that was it. Okay, so okay. Let's go back to the desktop so you see it is there. So that's how it works. That's how it works. So you just have to, once you open the SBA form, you see whatever you have over there. Then you can go to the master sheet. Master sheet will have the raw score for all the subjects, where you rank the students and find their position. So over here you need to do either of two things. Either you sort the sheet according to the total scores here or by their student ID. So when you sort according to the total score, you realize that the student ID will jump. But here the first person will be at the top and the second, third to follow. But if you sort by student ID, the second of they can be anywhere, but here everything will go according to. So it will be advisable you use this one, sort descending order. So once you do that, then you can export as PDF. You can export it as PDF. Once you do that, it will also be saved. Now let's go back to the so it's saved the SBA folder. So let's go back to the menu and let's go back to that folder so you can see that the master sheet is also here like that. Now let's go to report sheet. The report sheet, you select the student ID, then everything about the student will come like that. Now we didn't fill in the contact and the rest. I'm going to show you that later. So over here too, you can export as PDF or you can print. Once you click print, if you have a printer connected, just print this report sheet for you. So it's printing the report sheet for Kwesi is successful. So if you change the name, the student ID as well, and you print again, it will also print. Then you can also export it as PDF if you don't want to print it direct, or you don't have a printer, you can export it and print it somewhere. So if you have export as PDF, it will be exported, and then this one will not be in the SBA folder, but rather it will be in the report sheet. So there is a folder that will be created as report sheet. So this is it. So you have the name of the students attached to it like that. So let me delete all of this as well, and then run another one so that you can see the difference. So exported as PDF. Let me go back so you can see it is here. Alright. So now let's go back to the menu and let's go to this one, comment. So once you come to comment, you can add any comment you want. These ones you cannot do anything about them. So now you come to learners information sheet, then you enter the attendance, the number of times the child came to school, then you select the conduct and you put in the conduct for them, the attitude, and then their interest. You just go ahead and then select anyone you want like that. This one too, I'll select the attitude. Okay, and then the conduct. I'm going to select this one. Once you are done, you can click save. You save everything for you right here. So you just wait for the macro to run. I actually don't want this tutorial to be very long, so I'll be ending so you go back to menu. Now you can log out, you can reset your password, you can do that. So the subject sheet have shown you the comments, the performance analysis. You can check, you can print it. This is a report for the various subjects, graphs and the rest. So once you go there, you can see the various distance, so the performance of the students, you can see. So you can see it, the graphs will come. Once you fill in details, all of these graphs are going to show. So once you are comfortable with this, you go back to menu and then you print the performance analysis as PDF. So it will be as PDF. It will be as PDF in the SBA folder. So you can come here. Sorry, let me refresh. Which of the folder of this report sheet? So in the SBA folder, so you can see performance analysis, everything like that. So that is it. Now let's say you want to change, you want to clear all these things from the system. You can clear the student name from here. Are you sure? If you say no, it will not go. But if you say yes, then the name will go from here. And if you go to the sheet, you'll not be able to see the names here again. They are linked to all the sheets. Then let's go to this place. If you want to clear the class score, then you click here. If you say yes, if you say no, it won't go. But if you say yes, the class scores will go. So let's go to the English. You see that the class score is wrong by the exam score there. Once you come to the names and info sheet again, so you clear exam score, yes, it will go. When you go back, you will not see the exam score again. That is if you want to change the class and the rest of the things. If you want to enter for a different class or maybe a different term, that is how you go about it. So once you close, it will ask you to save it. So I'm not going to save, but you should save, right? You should save it. But then if you don't save, your data will be gone, or anything that you entered will be gone. I don't want to keep the information I've entered now, so I'm just going to say don't save. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be leaving the link to where you can get this amazing software to buy. I'll be leaving the link in the description. You can get there and make your purchase and receive your file and the password, everything attached to it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.